In this video I want to update the GUI manager so that when the player dies we display a mission failed screen, and when the end of level boss is defeated we display a mission complete screen. Now I've imported these screens already. You'll find them under the sprites group. If I just expand that and I choose game end screens, you'll see we have a mission complete screen and a mission failed screen. Now I created these screens using Inkscape. They are vector graphics. Of course I had to rasterize them before importing them into GameMaker Studio because GameMaker Studio does not accept the SVG vector format. So I'm just going to close these screens here and return back to the GUI manager and open up the executed piece of code that we've already started in the Draw GUI event. So I'm going to double click that to open up that code and just insert some new lines under here and paste in some code. So what this is checking here is if the player runs out of health, if the player dies, then we're going to display mission failed. And again we're using the draw sprite ext function that we've seen already when drawing the turrets for the end of level boss. And again here I've created a global.game1 variable. That's a boolean variable and it's going to be true or false, and I just set this to true when the end of level boss is destroyed, so that when the end of level boss is killed we've completed the game, and then we display the mission complete screen. Notice that after destroying the end of level boss I set the object player.canControl to false to make sure that when the mission complete screen is displaying, the gamer cannot still move the player around. You may remember that we created the canControl variable earlier in this course to prevent the player from moving around the player. So I'm just going to accept those changes and choose OK, and then press play on the toolbar. And here we have our game, and rather than go to the end of the level and defeat the boss, first of all I'm going to jump down here and we get mission failed. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to run to the end of the level boss, and I will pick up recording when I reach the end of level boss. Okay, so I finally arrived at the end of level boss zone, and I'm going to run in here, and here he is making his appearance. So I'm going to start shooting away, and you can see his health is reducing. We've added that functionality, and bang, he's destroyed and we get mission complete. So there we have it, 2 end of level screens, and they're looking pretty good.